If the navbar is not showing on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, in order to solve this issue, then first of all we can open settings. On the left side we're gonna choose notifications and then go to lock screen notifications. You want to make sure that lock screen notifications are enabled. Besides that, you can make sure that the content of lock screen of apps in the lock screen notifications is shown, or at least for those apps that are of course compatible with navbar. So even if you have show content enabled, we can tap on this setting in order to choose if specific apps should have the content actually visible or not. So for example, if the clock is not being fully displayed on the navbar, if it lacks certain options, for example, then you want to make sure that the content is actually shown over here. And last but not least, we can go of course to the lock screen over here, open the navbar, and make sure that live notifications are enabled for apps over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.